Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. My name is Sahil Arora. In this video, I'm going to give you three news basis your NMAT exam this year. The first one being in our Facebook and Telegram group, we are going to start some very important threads specifically for OMET examinations, for SNAP, NMAT and everything, because these are the examinations which are often ignored by the other people. बट इसके लिए हम स्पेशल थ्रेड शुरू करेंगे अब सिर्फ और सिर्फ इन एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन के लिए and it will be specifically on our Telegram group and our Facebook group. So if you are not in both of them, the link is in the description, join them. This is the first thing. Second, we will be launching the cheapest test series for NMAT this year, right? The price will be very low as compared to any other brands, right? So keep your eyes on that, and the whole news will be on our portal soon, all right? The third is, and the most important one for which you are here is, so when you will download this admission handout from their website, NMAT, right? So when you will download this, right, in the point 2.2, it is mentioned that candidates can reapply from their scores, basis their scores if they are not satisfied, but their score will not be considered again. राइट मतलब कि अगर आपने 3 अटेम्प्ट दिए हैं तो आपका सिर्फ पहले ही अटेम्प्ट का स्कोर नारसी मुंजी की फर्दर एप्लीकेशन के लिए कंसीडर किया जाएगा एंड जो रीटेक का स्कोर है विल नॉट बी कंसीडर्ड फॉर फर्दर सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस फॉर देयर मेन कैंपस राइट नाउ what is the general notion in the market that NMAT is one of the costliest paper out there, right? And the 3 attempts are basically for the purpose of generating money and revenue for the college. If this is the process and if this seems to be true, which is actually true, the college is going to take a huge hit on their revenue this year. So according to me, if you ask me on a very personal note, that there are chances that there will be some improvement in this, or there will be some other amendment in this, right? This should change a bit, but as it stands right now, it is absolutely true that candidates can register to reapply. NMAT will accept the candidates from the main examination only. Candidates qualifying the cutoff based on the reapplication score will not be the part of second stage. मतलब कि अगर आप सेकंड स्टेज में आपकी कट ऑफ क्लियर होती है तो उसको कंसीडर नहीं किया जाएगा, ठीक है? तो ये बात है। अब ये इसके लिए क्लैरिटी के लिए देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीएल्स एंड मेनी अदर इंफॉर्मेशंस messages that have been mailed, that have gone to NMS authorities. As soon as we get any news, you will get it from us first hand, right? Till then, please stay tuned. I hope you are doing all the other things that are allotted to you on the daily basis, right? Keep doing it, guys. Enjoy.